Federal Republic of Nigeria in the person of President Yahaya Bello. I can only thank each and every person for coming here today, for honoring us with this declaration. Each and every one of us is proud of our candidate. From here we go to the field of battle for the presidential primaries, after which we have won. We will move to the field to win the presidency of this country. We are proud of our presidential candidate. We are proud of our governor. And we are proud of the next president of Nigeria. May God be with him. May God be with each and every one of you. May God be with our country, Nigeria. God bless you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now that was the former Minister of Aviation, SYMFONI. Please, the entertainment will have to hear from Bello Ambassador Network.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.